Hi everyone, I'm here to present you the Halloween release of Apwide Golive. But I will probably do it without the mask, otherwise it will be a bit hot. So welcome everyone to the new release of Apwide Golive. So there is only one feature, but it's a very good one, is the usage and availability KPIs. What is it? So when you open an environment, you get some new KPIs here. So the availability and the usage KPI. You have the possibility to change the time period. So for instance, instead of 14 days, you can use 7 days or 24 hours, and you will see the two KPIs that are updated. That information is going to be saved in your session, which means that if you jump from one environment to the other, it will remember the option that you have selected. Availability KPI shows you, so based on the statuses that are here, what is the available time during the past 24 hours or maybe the last 14 days. And we take the statuses of your environment into account. So that's based on the history of the status changes. If you open the statuses here, you will see a new column type. So for each of them, you can define if it's considered as available or unavailable. The second one, the usage, it's based on your scheduling configuration. So we are taking that configuration into account in order to calculate that second indicator. You can find it here. So 26%, so it's based over the last 14 days. On that environment, I see that there were a few bookings, and we take that into consideration and we compare that with the whole period when the environments could have been booked. Just hit those question marks here and you will see the documentation about it, where we explain in more details the different formulas that are applied in order to calculate those KPIs. We did a lot of other improvements. So one of them was about the loading performance for the matrix views. We also changed a permission that was before the shared timelines, and it applied only to the timelines. Now we renamed it to share views because it will apply to all the different views. Then we have also added some additional descriptions. When you go through the scheduling quick setup, you will see that there are some better descriptions, not just repeating the label of the fields, that will explain you what those fields are used for. Then in the last deployment view, we made the main action the addition of a deployment. So instead of plus environment, we have now plus deployment that is available here. We have some renaming for the warning message when you delete a view. Then we have also improved the demo data for the environment attributes and deployment attributes. So in order to not have too many of them, we limit it to only 10 each. Then we have also the view browser. When you are here on the view browsers, you have the possibility to open in a new tab or in a new window the different links. Same for the menu here under Go Live. If you want to open the Go Live settings in a new tab, you can do like Control click or Shift click. Last but not least, for Go Live Cloud users only, you have now the possibility to disable the synchronization of Go Live deployments with Jira deployment. You just go to the Go Live settings, application list, and if I want to update that setup for my e-commerce environment, I can find it here. We have added a new checkbox that is called Synchronize Go Live Deployed Issues with Jira Deployment. And that's why you can disable, if needed, that synchronization. By default, it's synchronized. Then there are also a few bug fixes, and we worked a lot on the Jira 10 compatibility. It's not finalized yet, but we are progressing well. So if you have any questions about that release, feel free to contact us through our customer portal. Thanks for watching and have a creepy Halloween. Bye.